From the dawn of civilization to the modern kitchen, boiling has been a fundamental cooking technique, but beyond its simplicity lies a rich story, one that has shaped human history, culture, and innovation. The discovery of fire revolutionized how humans prepared food. As early as 8000 BCE, ancient civilizations used clay pots to harness boiling, a method that soft and tough grains made food safer and extracted essential nutrients. Boiling became more than survival, it became culture. In China, it led to the invention of nourishing broths and herbal teas. In India, rich curries simmered to perfection. In Africa, communal stews symbolized unity. While in Europe, boiling became the heart of peasant feasts. At 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, water undergoes a physical transformation. Boiling accelerates chemical reactions, breaking down tough fibers in meats and vegetables. It also sterilizes food, eliminating harmful bacteria, one reason why boiling is still vital today. As technology advanced, so did boiling. The invention of pressure cookers reduced cooking time dramatically. Sous vide, a precision-controlled water bath, redefined gourmet dining, and in industrial kitchens, boiling became essential for mass food production. Whether it's a home-cooked meal, a street vendor's secret recipe, or a Michelin-starred dish, boiling continues to play a crucial role. It preserves flavors, enhances textures, and ensures food safety, all with the simple power of water and heat. As we move towards sustainability, boiling remains a key technique. Scientists explore energy-efficient boiling methods, while chefs push the boundaries of what's possible. From ancient fire pits to futuristic kitchens, boiling connects the past, present, and future of food. The next time you boil a pot of water, remember you're carrying forward a tradition thousands of years old. Share your favorite boiling recipes, experiment with new techniques, and keep the culinary journey alive.